This video will discuss the last method of solving quadratic equation, which is the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x equals negative b, positive negative b square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Tandaan, a is the coefficient of your quadratic term, b is the coefficient of your linear term, and c is the coefficient of your constant term. So, looking at this equation, ito tayo kay example number 8. X squared plus 3x equals 54. So, unang mong gusto i-check ay kung nasa form na ba siya ng ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And looking at our example, naliligaw yung ating constant term. So, lipat mo lang siya sa kabilang side kasi dapat nasa left side siya. So, you'll have x squared plus 3x, from positive 54, you will have negative 54 is equal to 0. Once na nandun na siya sa tamang form niya, kunin mo na yung value ng a, b, and c. Ang value ng a, coefficient ng quadratic term, which is yung invisible one natin. Ang value ng b is coefficient ng linear term, which is positive 3. And value ng c is your constant term, which is negative 54. Once na nakuha na yung value ng a, b, and c, gamitin na natin or substitute na natin siya doon sa formula natin. So, you will have x equals negative b, so that is negative 3, positive negative square root of b square is 3 square minus 4 times the value of a, which is 1, times the value of c, which is negative 54. All over 2 times the value of a, which is 1. Once na substitute na natin siya, gemdas na po tayo. Angat ko lang. So, that will be x equals negative 3. Simulan natin dito. So, positive negative square root of 3 square is 9. Then, ito pwedeng isa-isahin. So, pwede nga simulan sa sign muna eh. Negative times positive, negative, negative times negative, that is positive. So, you'll have positive here. Then, isa-isa ulit. Positive 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 54, that is 216. All over 2 times 1, that is 2. Ito. Yan. So, that is, proceed na tayo. So, x equals negative 3, positive, negative, 9 plus 216 is 225 all over 2. And ang 225 ay perfect square. So, the square root of 225 is 15. So, you will have x equals negative 3, positive, negative 15 all over 2. Yan. So, once na nandiyan na sa form na yan, pwede mo nang i-write yung equation as into 2. So, x equals negative 3 or x sub 1 equals negative 3 plus 15 all over 2. And x sub 2 is equal to negative 3 minus 15 all over 2. Dito na lang po para medyo mas kasya. So, negative 3 plus 15 is positive 12. All over 2, that is positive 6. Then, in this case, negative 3 and negative 15 is negative 18. Divided by 2 is negative 9. And these are the roots of the equation.